What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of the best wired mechanical keyboards on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Corsair K65 Pro Mini. Enter the world of gaming excellence with the Corsair K65 Pro Mini RGB 65% optical mechanical wired gaming keyboard. Compact yet comprehensive, the Corsair K65 Pro Mini features a compact 65% layout that doesn't compromise on functionality. Despite its small footprint, it includes essential arrow and utility keys with convenient secondary functions, ensuring you have everything you need for seamless gaming and daily tasks. Optical mechanical switches for unparalleled responsiveness. Experience gaming like never before with Corsair's OPS optical mechanical switches. Offering smooth, linear, and ultra-responsive keystrokes, these switches guarantee durability with a lifespan of up to 150 million keystrokes. Enjoy lightning-fast inputs and unrivaled precision in every gaming session. Acts on hyper-processing technology. Game at lightning speed. Corsair's Axon hyper-processing technology revolutionizes the gaming experience by delivering your actions from the keyboard to the game up to 8 times faster than standard gaming keyboards. With the ability to play up to 20 RGB lighting layers, immerse yourself in vibrant visuals while maintaining peak performance. Satisfying typing experience. Acoustic excellence. Bid farewell to noisy keystrokes with the Corsair K65 Pro Mini. Thanks to 2 layers of sound dampening, keystroke sounds are softened, resulting in a satisfying typing experience that doesn't compromise on performance. Enjoy a quiet and immersive gaming environment without distractions. Durable and stylish design. Crafted with durability and style in mind, the Corsair K65 Pro Mini boasts PBT double-shot keycaps that ensure longevity and resistance to wear and tear. The sleek black design complements any gaming setup. Number 2. Kren Q6. Are you in search of the perfect mechanical keyboard that combines functionality with elegance? Look no further than the Kren Q6 wired custom mechanical keyboard knob version. The Kren Q6 boasts a premium full-size design crafted entirely from aluminum, setting it apart from its competitors. Its CNC machined body exudes sophistication while ensuring durability for prolonged usage. The double gasket design not only enhances the keyboard's aesthetics, but also contributes to a superior typing experience. Fully customizable experience. One of the standout features of the Kren Q6 is its unparalleled level of customization. From keycaps to switches, plate to case foam, every component is meticulously designed to be easily assembled according to your preferences. With support for QMK and VIA, programming and remapping keys have never been easier. The open-source firmware opens up endless possibilities for creating personalized layouts and shortcuts. Number 3. SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. In the competitive world of gaming peripherals, the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL hyper-magnetic gaming keyboard stands tall as a beacon of innovation and performance. Equipped with Omnipoint 2.0 adjustable hyper-magnetic switches, the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL offers unparalleled customization and speed. With 40 levels of per key actuation ranging from 0.1 mm to 4.0 mm, users can fine-tune their keyboard to suit their playstyle. Experience lightning-fast responses and precision control like never before. World's fastest keyboard, the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL sets a new standard for speed, boasting 20 times faster actuation and 11 times faster response than traditional mechanical keyboards. Say goodbye to input lag and latency as the keyboard dynamically activates and deactivates keys based on travel distance, ensuring rapid trigger responses for optimal gameplay. Ultimate control at your fingertips. With the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL, gamers have ultimate control over their gaming experience. Assign light, ultra-fast movements to WASD keys while setting ability keys to deep presses to avoid accidental triggers. The 2-in-1 action keys allow users to program to different actions to the same key, providing unparalleled flexibility and customization. Esports-ready design, designed with esports in mind. Number for glorious GMMK Pro. Are you on the quest for the perfect gaming keyboard that offers both performance and customization? Look no further than the glorious gaming GMMK Pro 75% barebones white. Crafted for excellence, the GMMK Pro sets itself apart with its premium design and construction. Crafted from solid aluminum through CNC machining, this keyboard boasts substantial weight and unparalleled durability compared to its plastic counterparts. The anodized surface not only offers high scratch resistance, but also provides a satin-like feel that exudes elegance and sophistication. Personalized typing experience. Experience true customization with the GMMK Pro's innovative 5-pin hot swap design. Easily plug in your preferred 3 or 5-pin MX mechanical switches from renowned brands like Glorious, Kale, Gateron, and Cherry without the need for soldering. With the included switch puller, switching out switches becomes a hassle-free endeavor, allowing you to tailor your typing experience to perfection. Fully customizable appearance. Embrace your creativity with the GMMK Pro's fully customizable appearance. Number 5. Royalcludge K61. In the realm of gaming peripherals, the Royalcludge K61 wired 60% mechanical gaming keyboard stands as a beacon of innovation and performance. The K61 is a marvel of compact design, featuring a 61-key layout that packs all essential functions into a minimalist form factor. Its ultra-compact design not only saves precious desk space, but also enhances maneuverability for gamers, allowing for seamless mouse movement during intense gaming sessions. Hot swappable red switches for precision. Equipped with hot swappable red switches, the K61 offers lightning-fast response times with minimal resistance. The linear switches deliver smooth and quiet keystrokes, making them ideal for both office tasks and gaming marathons. Experience unparalleled precision and responsiveness with every keystroke. Dazzling RGB effects. Immerse yourself in a world of vibrant colors with the K61's stunning RGB backlighting. With 18 preset RGB backlight modes and 8 monochrome options on board, the keyboard offers a visual spectacle that enhances your gaming and typing experience. Customizable backlight colors and effects through the Royalcludge software add a personalized touch to your setup, making every keystroke a feast for the eyes. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.